Hi everyone, this is Fiona from Lavender Blue, and this is Freebie Friday number 2. For those of you who haven't been on my Facebook group, this is something that I do every Friday. I have a free printable, and I'll make a video where we can make something out of it and put it all together. So I'll link my Facebook group below if you want to get this this printable for free. And so today I have a few little elements just on one page, and I'm going to make a topper. So like a little collaged topper for your journal cover. Or you can also make a pocket out of it, or you can glue it down to a page, or it could be a topper for a paper bag, or something like that as well. And so we've got 2 little backing cards here, one with little pink butterflies and then another one with blue butterflies, just in case you wanted to use one or the other. And you could also use both to make a pocket, and I'll show you that when I come to it. We've got this cute little vintage girl holding a butterfly. Got a pink butterfly there, a little tag, and then some roses. And then I've got a clock and 3 little buttons there. So to start off with, we have to cut these out. So I'm going to head off camera and cut them out, come back and we'll make our little topper. Back in a sec. Okay, so I'm back and I've cut out all my little bits and pieces here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the little pink butterflies for my backing. And if you wanted to turn this into a pocket, you could glue this one on the back and leave the top open, or you could use this one instead. So I'm just going to use this one for now, and then I'll glue, just going to glue this little girl on top. I'm going to leave a bit of a gap at the bottom there. And I'm just using a clear craft glue for this. It's coming out a bit fast, but glue that down. Like that. Now I'm just going to arrange some of these pieces and think about where I want them to go. So I quite like the idea of things hanging over the edge. I might put the little clock like this. Now where do I want the tag? The tag could go probably that way, and obviously you can arrange things however you want to arrange them. I'm going to put these little buttons down there like that. I'm just thinking, should I put that? And I'm going to put that over the top. Maybe put that one in the middle. butterfly would look nice in the middle of the clock as well. So yeah, it's all just playing around and seeing what you like best. No, I think I liked it the other way. I might stick the little butterfly up the top there. And I'm going to add a little bit of fabric. Cheesecloth is best for this, but I don't have any at the moment. So I've just got a little piece of cotton here. Just going to rough it up a little bit, because I don't want it too perfect. I want sort of tatty edges. And I might put that just down the side there, sort of just behind there. Let's see if we can use a bit of lace somewhere as well. Just a little snippet. And I think that might go nice in behind the buttons. Yeah. Okay, so let's glue this down. Another thing I didn't mention about these little printables is they kind of coincide with my my new printable, which is the shabby butterfly journal kit, which it's your normal A4 size, but it also comes in a traveller's notebook size. So if you haven't seen that one, I'll link that below, because I'm going to be doing a little mini series on making a traveller's notebook size journal, and I'll be using that kit for this one. Yeah, I'll be using the butterfly kit. So I'm going to glue my little tag down first. Just wondering if I like the tag to go that way. No, I like it across. So yeah, lots of different ways you can glue this together. This little collage. I'm going to put that on there. Just wondering, I might glue that little piece of fabric to the back of this first. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Sorry about the light, the weather's quite bleak today and it's pretty dark outside. Glue that to there. I seem to either get too much glue or not enough. Whoops, I probably put too much glue on the back then. Right, we'll glue that down like that. that off. So I've got my little bit of fabric there, and you can pull the ends out and make it a bit more. And you could ink it with your ink if you want it to look a bit more vintage. My flowers. I think I'm going to have to get some more of these little bottles for my glue. So I'm going to put that there like that. Put a little bit of lace just to add a little something. And our buttons. And obviously you can go a lot further with your embellishing. You can add stitching. You can stitch all the way around the edge and do a bit of stitching on the buttons, or, you know, add some ribbon, whatever you like. But I'm just making this simple for the video. There's that little bit done, and I'll put my little butterfly on the corner there. Like that. And there you have it. So that's a cute little cover for a journal, a topper on your cover, or, you know, on a page. As I said, you might have a paper bag that you want to, or a tag. You can attach it to a tag. I have my traveller's notebook cover here ready to go. So when I make this one, I'll be using this and putting it on the front there. And I'm going to show you how to do a simple traveller's notebook, because it'll be for mostly for beginners that haven't made that style before. Now, if you want to make a pocket, just glue this one down and just glue it around the 3 edges, and then you'll have a little pocket there. Or you could use this one in behind instead of the pink one. Okay, so I hope that you liked that. That's our Freebie Friday for this week. And thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.